Hello, greetings from La Paz, Bolivia. My name is Silvia Salinas, and today I'm happy to invite you to join the workshop on evaluation for social justice that I will be facilitating next July. During 2.5 days, we will learn, discuss, and think together how to boost the potential of evaluation to address social injustice, expanded inequality gaps, and the multiple challenges to achieve the SDGs. We will start discussing the meaning and implications of social justice to then explore the main social justice-oriented evaluation types and decolonizing paradigms, also analyzing how power permeates and influences evaluation and its transformation potential. We will learn about the importance and role of theory of change towards social justice and how to use it in evaluations. Moving from theory to practice, we will share tools and approaches that can help us mainstream a social transformation approach throughout an evaluation. Last, but certainly not least, we will address our role as transformative evaluators, which is ultimately a key condition and success factor. How can we boost it? What do we have to learn? And what do we have to unlearn? Throughout the workshop, we will all commit to create a safe learning environment, to share and reflect in depth on our own experiences, our successes, and our failures and challenges. I personally feel honored with this opportunity to bring and share my 32 years of national, regional, and global professional experience. Looking further to learn and rethink what I do and how I do it. I'm ready to discuss my perspectives and learning as practitioner from the Global South, global evaluation leader, feminist, social justice activist, and lately social innovator and entrepreneur. We will jointly address the complexities, inconsistencies, and dilemmas of the current evaluation architecture and practice, learning from each other and creating pathways to make our practice more coherent and effective towards social justice. Join me in this dialogic, self-reflective, and purposeful workshop, where we will use a combination of provoking and inspiring cases and problem-solving exercises to unleash the individual and group potential. After the workshop, you will be equipped and empowered with theoretical, strategic, and practical knowledge, and you will have expanded your perspectives and choices to effectively perform a social justice-oriented evaluator. Don't miss this opportunity. Looking forward to meeting you in July.